In this short video tutorial, we'll understand how to access the date of the system on which you are working on. So using C Sharp, you can use the date time structure given to you by C Sharp to get access to the date as well as the time on the system on which the C Sharp program is running. So C Sharp gives you a date time structure which will help you access the date as well as the time of the local system. So let's say we want to print the date of the current date on my laptop. So if I want to access that current date, so I'll use the datetime structure, and when I put the dot operator with datetime, you will see that there is a property called now. So datetime.now will give you the date and time as of this moment on my system. But we are not interested in both date and time. We are interested in only the date component of it. So we'll say datetime.now.date. So when you say datetime.now.date, so you will only get the current date and not the time. So let's run this program and see the output. So when you run this program, you notice that the date has been printed, but the time has been printed as the default time, which is 12:00 a.m. So only the date has been printed. Let me stop this program. Now, additionally, the datetime structure also helps you format the date in some long and short formats. So for example, if you say datetime.now.date dot to long date string, now this is a function that will display, or that will give you the date in a different in a long date string format. To understand how it looks like, let's run this program and see. Now just by using this to long date string function, notice that the date has been printed in a longer format, which is February 21 2018. So the earlier one was the shorter format, this one is the longer format. In separate video, we'll cover the different ways in which you can format the date as well as time using C Sharp. But for this video, we'll only stop it here after understanding how to access the date, how to access the current date of the system using C Sharp. So with this, we'll end this short tutorial here. For more free C Sharp learning content, please visit openeschool.com/learn C Sharp. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we add. Thank you.